Hello everyone. Today we are in a community lab and we will performing a procedure called the Benedict's test. This test is used to detect the presence of glucose in urine. Required equipment. To perform the test, we need the following. First, a spirit lamp for heating. Second, spirit fuel for the lamp. Third, a matchbox. Fourth, Benedict solution, a chemical reagent. Fifth, a test tube and test tube holder. Sixth, a urine sample container. And eighth, a dropper. Procedure. First step. Prepare the test tube. Take a clean test tube using a dropper. Add 5 ml of Benedict solution into the test tube. To measure accurately, fill the dropper twice with 2.5 ml each time. Second step, heat the solution. Light the spirit lamp using a matchbox. Hold the test tube firmly with a test tube holder. Gently heat the Benedict solution over the flame for about 1 minute, ensuring it reaches a boiling state. Third step, add the urine sample. Open the urine sample container carefully using a dropper. Add exactly 8 drops of urine into the test tube while counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now gently mix the solution. Fourth step, final heating. Heat the solution again but carefully. Avoid overheating as excessive heats may cause the solution to spill out. Observation and results. If the solution turns green, yellow or brick red, it indicates the presence of glucose in the urine depending on the concentration. This concludes the Benedict test procedure. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more practical demonstration. Thank you.